My name is Vincent from wills.com. I'm going to show you how to create your state-specific legal will on our platform. Today we look at Lisa Anderson's will. She's a fictitious person. She is currently married, she has children, she has pets, and we have created a will for her. The very first section asks you what you wish to include in your will. So if you have any underage children, you may want to wish to mention that in your will, assign a guardian. If you have specific items that you'd like to gift to someone, then you will add a request section and make those specific mentions of those items to be gifted and specify who to. If you look to add a pet to your will, if you have any life insurance, you can specify that here. You first start by adding the family members, specify any kids that you wish to include in your will. And very important, if you have anyone that you wish to disinherit, exclude from your will, you do that on this page as well. She is still married at this time and wants to make sure that Mark Anderson does not benefit from the will, just in case she passes away before her divorce is finalized. Under the additional beneficiaries page, so these are non-family members, for example, if you wish to make individual bequests, like she did right here, specifying who gets her 2018 Honda Accord. You also specify under which circumstances these bequests are made. If you have a pet, like I mentioned, his name is Buddy, specify any special request right there. If you want to assign a fund, you can do that as well right here. And finally, we get to the residuary estate. Now, she has decided to split whatever's left between her children equally. You can also leave it all to a single person, or you can also add different amounts. It's up to you. Moving on, we get to the guardianship section. She has nominated Karen Wilson, who is her sister, as the guardian for her 14-year-old daughter, Olivia Anderson, who still lives with her. If she passes away before she turns 18, then Karen will be the assigned guardian. Finally, you have to select an executor. Now, she has selected her 25-year-old son, Michael Anderson, as the executor of the estate. He will be tasked with making sure that her wishes are honored. You can specify whether or not they have legal liability, who will settle the disputes if any of the kids argue about it, which happens more often than you think. And finally, you get to proofread the document. Make sure that everything is exactly the way you want it. Now, if you ever want to make changes on wills.com, you have a lifetime free membership. So if anything ever changes in your life, then so does your will. Just come back to the website, log into your account, update your will, and you can make an entirely new will or simply update it. When you get to the wills.com dashboard, you also have the option to notarize it. If you have purchased a notary package, you can schedule a notary session with a remote online notary right here from the comfort of your home by schedule one for later, or you can do one right now. If you have any further questions, reach out to info@wills.com and I'd be happy to help.